Can I see?
Are you still liking it?
Yeah.
Alright, how do you think you get more out of there? What do you do?
I lick it.
Well, what do you do when it gets all the way down? Can you push it?
Push it.
Do you know how to push it? Oh, good girl.
I did it!
You sure did.
My. I didn't know that.
You didn't? Did it work pretty good? Is that pretty good stuff?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think you're supposed to use your...
Would you get a napkin?
Yeah, I think you're supposed to use a napkin.
Cake delicious.
Wow, your mom will be nice. Glad to hear that.
Ah, what a lovely day.
It's lovely.
That's good.
Yeah, you did fine.
Thank you.
You're
I'm
welcome.
almost way to the bottom.
You sure are. Uh-oh, look what's going on over there.
What? Uh-oh. I'm going to check it out.
No, 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 not yet. Finish your cake pop.
Oh, the cake's just looking.
Mm-hmm. Pretty good stuff, huh?
I know. Uh-huh.
You got something on your nose. Do you think you might want another one of those?
Got some more?
Well, Lulu ate the other one. I'm not supposed to tell that. But Lulu ate one. But
Why?
there may be some more of those where that one came from.
I don't know. I need more juice. Need more juice.
All right.
And then I can drink. And then I can eat my cake pop.
Your cake pop?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I think she's figured out how to work it.
I'm almost way to the bottom.
You sure are. Don't spill it out. Just do a little bit at a time. They're like in little sections, aren't they? All right. You gonna say bye-bye?
Bye.